Hi, I'm Paul with RackAttack.com, here to show you the Yakima BaseLine JetStream roof rack system for the 2014 through 2021 Mazda 6 four-door sedan. This system comprises three components, starting with the BaseLine tower set of 4 and the JetStream load bars set of 2, offered in silver or black, and 2 sets of 2 of the BaseLine pad and clip sets. And I'll go over all these components in detail, starting with the JetStream load bar. Here we've cut this one down so that you can see the extruded aluminum box beam construction. The overall shape is designed to minimize wind noise and wind drag. There is a track that runs along the top of the bar to accommodate certain accessories and carriers for a very clean, integrated method of attachment. On the underside of the bar is another track in which the tower is fastened to the bar. Alongside that track are measurement numbers, which correspond to measurements shown in the instruction sheet with the base clip sets, and that'll guide you in the correct positioning of the tower on the bar. Now, the tower itself has multiple adjustments to provide a very custom fit to the vehicle, and to access those adjustments, you first must remove this outer cover, and to do so, you just pull back on the cover while squeezing to remove that cover. And inside you'll notice there's several fasteners, and first we'll address the fastener that's holding the tower to the bar. And to access that, we pull back on this cover, and then we have access to the fastener here. So that holds the tower to the bar, but also offers a pitch adjustment, which will help to compensate for curvature on the roof by adjusting the angle of the bar. Now, below that adjustment is another one, which is a toe adjustment. We'll go ahead and demonstrate that one with a tool that's included with the towers. So we'll just go ahead and loosen that up. And then now with it loose, you'll see there are 3 points of adjustment that will better align the pad and clip set to the door frame. Now, when we tighten that back up, this tool will click, and that indicates that you've tightened it fully. And this tool is also used for all the other fasteners on the tower as well. Now, if you see this fastener is still exposed, when we close this hatch, that'll prevent access to that first fastener there. Okay, now within the tower, we have another adjustment, this one, and when that is tightened, that will pull this clip inward against the door frame. And under this hatch is the final fastener, and that'll pull that clip upward against the door frame. Now we can go ahead and return the outer cover into place. That just attaches at the bottom and clicks at the top. Here you'll notice there is a plastic plug, and that plug can be removed and replaced with a Yakima SKS lock cylinder. SKS stands for Same Key System. These are sold in match sets separately, so you can have all 4 of your towers and other SKS compatible accessories all key matched using the same numbered lock cores and keys. Okay, so those are all the main features of the Yakima BaseLine JetStream roof rack system. This product and the full line of Yakima products are available at RackAttack.com. Please see the link in the video description for all your buying options. If you have any questions or comments on this particular system, feel free to leave those in the comments section below. And consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. We have over 2,000 rack-related videos, and we upload new videos weekly. That's all for this one, and thanks for watching.